Okay, I showed you guys the RAM mount the other day, but now I've got a new toy on my bike. Something I've been looking for a very long time, but haven't found till now. And that's actually a lock that's convenient, small, and super strong, because I hate carrying a 5-pound lock on my back because I don't like to carry anything extra but water. But check this out. I just got this the other day. It's amazing. That's the lock. So you just apply your key, unlock it. You can see it. The little locking post comes out, lock comes off. Now check this out. Ready? There you go. A hardened steel bike lock that will provide you with something that'll definitely keep your bike away from predators. It's amazing. Doesn't weigh a whole lot, but it's super compact, and you can put it just about anywhere on your bike. I didn't have anywhere to put a lock on my bike. Doing this with one hand be a heck of a lot faster, wrapping this up with two. Hang on. Okay, so there it is, all wrapped up again and ready to be put back on the bike. Just clip it on. Try and clip it on. I suppose if I put it on the right way, it would help. Yeah, that's the right way. Okay, here we go. Clip it on, push the button, and you're locked. Good to go. You're welcome.